Becoming a licensed engineer in the USA. A step-by-step guide for foreign engineers. Start by verifying your foreign engineering credentials. This confirms your education is recognized in the US. Choose an approved credential evaluation service like NCESS, WES, or ECE to evaluate your degree. Submit your academic transcripts and degree translations to the evaluation service you select. Wait for your credential evaluation report. This confirms if your foreign degree meets US standards. Register for the FE exam, which is the first step toward engineering licensure in the United States. Dedicate time to studying. The FE exam covers fundamental engineering concepts across many disciplines. Take the computer-based FE exam at an authorized NCES test center. Bring a valid ID and your exam admission ticket. After passing the FE exam, you become an engineer in training, or EIT, a key milestone in your licensing journey. Gain required engineering work experience, typically for 4 years under supervision of a licensed professional engineer PE. When eligible, register for the PE exam in your chosen discipline to advance toward full licensure. Take and pass the PE exam. This assesses your skills, judgment, and practical engineering knowledge. Apply for professional engineer licensure through your state board. Each state has its own requirements and application process. Select the right visa pathway for engineers: H-1B, EB-2, EB-3, O-1, or TN, depending on your qualifications and background. With these steps, your American engineering career is within reach. Start your journey to becoming a licensed U.S. engineer today.